Hello students. So in this video we are going to discuss about the admission notification that has been released by Delhi University. So as you all know that last year Delhi University for the first time introduced 5 years law course, which is BA.LLB and BBA.LLB courses into their curriculum. Earlier to this there was only 3 years law program that was offered by Delhi University, but now the central campus has decided to start for the second year now. It has decided to enroll students for 5 years law program, that are BLLB and BBLLB. For these two courses there are respectively 60 seats, so in total 120 seats are there. Now the process of admission, if you look at the process of admission, let's get started with that. So those who have appeared in CLAT 2024, that happened in December last year, December 2023, the CLAT 2024 examination, only those who have appeared in this examination would be eligible to register or to get themselves registered for this particular course, right? So if we talk about that, it's given in the notification that in order to get yourself registered for this course, right, it's mandatory that you should have appeared, candidate must have appeared, right, in CLAT 2024. So it's very important that you should have written the CLAT 2024 paper that happened in December 2023. Only those who have appeared in this examination will be eligible to register themselves. Now the second thing is that given that it's a prerequisite that you must have appeared in this examination, it's very clear that you have to attach both your admit card of CLAT 2024 as well as your scorecard of CLAT 2024. Right? Apart from that, what are the eligibility criteria? If you look at the eligibility criteria here, one, you must have passed your class 12th, or if you're appearing before you get enrolled, you should have passed this examination without any supplementary, right? And you should have scored at least 45% if, right, 45% if you are from general category, or if you are from SC, ST, OBC category, you would have secured at least 40% marks, right? Now apart from that, if you look at the other details here, it also says that you must have appeared in CLAT 2024 examination. That is something that we have already talked about, right? Now let's look at the process, right? Apart from eligibility, what do we have? If you look at the important dates here, the admission, the registration for this particular courses, two courses, that is BLLB and BBLLB, has already started. It started on April 25th, and the last day for registering is May 25, 2024, right? So the applications have already started. How do you apply yourself? Go to the website called law.uod, University of Delhi, UOD, the acronym law.uod.ac.in, or you can simply search on Google about the law admission for 5 years in Delhi University. The first link would be most probably that, right? Anyhow, I will drop the link for the application as well, right? But the thing to note here is that the start date is 25 April and the end date is May 25, so make sure that you fill it. Apart from that, the fee in this regard, if we talk about the fee in this regard, right, the registration fee, which is a non-refundable amount that you have to pay in order to get yourself registered, is 1500 and 2000 respectively. If you're from let's have a look into that. Right, here we have 1500 for those who are from unreserved, OBC, non-creamy layer, or EWS. You have to pay 1500, otherwise you have to pay 1000 if you are from SC, ST or PWD code, right? Apart from that, what else does this notification talk about? It says that this is going to be the procedure. First, you're going to fill, as soon as you, the first step is registering, right? There you will fill your personal details, your email address, your name, your parents' name, and all those things. Then apart from that, in the same page you have to provide your admit card and the admit card of CLAT 2024 and the other document, which is the scorecard, right? Then you have to fill your academic details. There you will fill as in, have you completed class 12th or are you still appearing, right? And you have to mention your percentage, as percentage is a prerequisite. Then you have to upload, in the third page you have to upload the document, and then once you preview it, in documents you need, mandatory are 2-3 documents: class 12 if you have already completed your class 12, non-creamy layer certificate and OBC certificate, SC/ST certificate, all the reservation certificates. Apart from that, your CLAT scorecard and your CLAT admit card. These are the four set of documents. If you're not availing any reservation, then your class 12th and the CLAT 2024's two documents, scorecard and admit card. Right? Once you preview it, you can submit it, and then you can give preference as to what do you prefer, BA.LLB or BB.LLB over other. Right? Based on your preference only, you will be allotted seat, and the list will be drawn completely based on the merit list, which will be decided based on the CLAT score out of the students who have applied. So those who register themselves, out of those students, whoever have that sufficient rank in order to be in that top 120, right, then they would be allotted the seat. They can confirm this allotment by paying the admission fee. Right, here also you have option of either freezing the seat or floating. If you float, and says you got BLLB but you want BBLLB, in case you keep float, if there are chances that you may be upgraded to BBLLB or BLLB, whatever be the preference, then it will be given to you. Right, now in the next video, this is a short video about the basic details. In the next video, we'll be looking at complete procedure as to how from beginning to end you will be filling this particular application. Right, if you have any doubts, any queries, you can use the comment box to drop the same. With that, we come to end. I hope this was a useful video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much.